for setting up your shop for the Redbubble to get the more sales. So if you are really interested in that, then keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. This channel is made for the artist and creative entrepreneur talking about the print-on-demand websites, online passive income ideas, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. So before starting with today's video guide, I want to say if you really enjoyed this video, if you are getting something out of it, then please do like it and give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, in fact I'm uploading daily videos now, so you will be get notified about it whenever I do upload the next video on this channel. So let's get started with today's video. Now guys, like a holiday season, we are about to approach the holiday season. The Halloween is just around the corner, then the Good Friday will going to come, and then the Christmas, the New Year, and all the seasons is just approaching, and we are around the corner. So we need to set up our shop for the Redbubble in the Redbubble, so that to get the more sales and obviously to earn more money. So we need to set up right now itself, so that we would be getting the things or the results that we want in this season. So the first tip that I really have for you is setting your shop ready. Now that's the quite obvious tip. People will be thinking that that's quite obvious. Well, I want to say setting up your shop is just you need to check your artist profile, your title and descriptions of your designs, and also see that whether you are making the collections on your shop or not. Because whenever someone will going to go to your shop, they will going to see all the collections that you have on your shop, and when they see that you have a beautiful holiday collection for the Christmas or New Year, or even for the Halloween, then they would be more excited to buy more from you. So this tip is quite obvious for some of you guys, but it's really important for me to talk in this video because we need to set our shop for the holiday season. So we actually need to set up our shop for the holiday season. How are we gonna do it? By setting the collections for the holiday designs that we have already made or we are about to make, or to get ready for your shop, and also write in the bio or in the profile picture that you're creating the holiday work and all that, so that it's really going to help you get the more sales. Now moving on to the second tip that is really essential, is to post right now. Now people think that holiday will going to come in December, so they will going to post in November or even in the early December and so on. No guys, do it right now, because you don't know how much it takes for your Redbubble algorithm to work in your favor and to get your designs up in the search bar or on the first page itself. So it's better to do it right now. And also some people are buying right now because due to the corona and pandemic, you won't be getting your stuff early as you're expecting. It might be some delays in getting your product at your home, so customer would be buying their stuff before that, because they are already aware that corona pandemic is there. So in some region the product actually delivered to the customer would take some time, so they will be ready to buy early on so that they would be ready for their festive season and all that. So that's really important for you guys to upload it right now for A, to Redbubble algorithm to work in your favor. B, if someone is buying right now, then your design will going to be up, and also not many people are actually uploading the holiday designs right now, so you would be the first few uploading your designs on the Redbubble related to the holiday, so that you would be getting a more boost for your shop. And also say many people will about to buy soon, they will going to buy early for the festive season because of the delays in the delivery of the product and all that. So that's really important to post it right now. Now moving on to the another tip, that is creating stickers bundle. Now guys, this might not be a holiday tip, but might be a general tip for the Redbubble itself, and I've already talked about that in some video, and I'm linking that video in the description box below if you want to check it out. But it's really essential guys, because whenever anyone wants to buy the stickers or anyone wants to buy something, if they are getting the bundle, and they would be more likely to buy that bundle at the similar or a little bit higher price than the single thing from that store. So if you're having a bundle of your stickers, like 3 to 4 stickers for holiday design, then people will going more likely to buy from your shop than actually buying the single stickers, because your 4 bundle stickers would be approximately a little bit more high than the price, but they would be more likely to buy these bundles rather than just buying the single stickers. So that's quite obvious for you guys, may not be obvious, but it's really essential if you are uploading the designs and making a stickers, that is bundle stickers, then you obviously will be getting more sales because people are more likely to buy the bundles in comparison to buying just the single one. So that's also quite obvious tip, but it's really essential, so I need to mention this in this video. Now moving on to the fourth tip that I have for you is promoting or marketing your designs. Like, you can promote your designs onto the Pinterest, guys, like, because before the festive season start, people will actually going to go onto the Pinterest and see what's trending, what they want for their home decor and for their personal items, for the t-shirts and all that. People actually go on there and see on the Pinterest. So market or sell or promote your designs onto the Pinterest, and that's really essential. If you want a separate video about how to promote your designs or artwork onto the Pinterest, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll make another video for you guys on how to promote or how to market your Pinterest, how to promote or market your Redbubble designs artwork onto the Pinterest. I'll make another video if you want that, but it's really essential to promote or market your designs right now, because people are actually looking onto the social media, on the Pinterest, on the YouTube, on the Google itself, checking that what's trending right now and what they need to buy for their home for the holiday season to come up. So they will be actually looking for it. So if you are one step ahead and you are actually promoting your artwork and designs on a social media platform, people will actually more likely to see your stuff coming on the social media platform and they actually go and buy from you. So that's a quite tip that I see that's working right now for the other artists as well, and it can work for you as well. Before moving on to the last tip, guys, I just want to say, if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be getting notified about it. Now moving on to the last tip that I have for you is, so the last tip is that making your designs and upload it on all the products or all the print on demand products onto Redbubble. Now it's really essential because people at this time of the year, when they are in the holiday season, they will going to buy more of the home decor items like the throw pillows and the curtains and all that. So people will go more likely to buy the home decor items, and when your work or your designs are placed on each and every product, then you would be getting the more eyeballs and people will more likely to buy from you. So this is really important, that you need to optimize your designs for each and every product onto the print on demand products, or especially on the Redbubble. Check the dimensions, how much or dimensions they are need for the stickers, for the Redbubble, for the other home decor items and all that, and optimize your design so that whenever someone comes onto your platform and they see that you are optimizing your artwork, your design on all the products, so they would more likely to buy from you and you would be getting more sales from it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, guys, I have made a complete playlist talking about the Redbubble and Teespring and various print on demand websites, all the tips and tricks and all that. So I'm linking all the videos in the description box below. You can check that playlist out very well. And that's it for today's video. If you really enjoyed it, if you get anything value out of it, please do like it and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be getting notified about it. And that's it. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.